Maybe formulas of the day from 9th Victory.
Fantastic morning to all. I am Shanmu Tejasni from class 9th Victory. Formula of the day: a minus b minus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. Thank you.
Numbers of the day from 8th Triumph.
Fantastic morning to all. I am Shakti from class 8 Triumph. Numbers of the day: integers. Integers forms a collection of number which contains whole number and negative numbers. Thank you.
Mensuration of the day from 7th Pacific.
Fantastic morning to all. I am Shanmu from 7th Pacific. Mensuration of the day: area of circle is equal to pi r square. Perimeter of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Thank you.
Square and cube tables of the day from 6th King David.
Fantastic morning to all. I am Jashwan from 6th King David. Square and cube tables of the day. 5 squares are 25. 5 cubes are 125. Thank you.
Shapes of the day from 5th APJ Kalam.
Good morning to all. My name is J.K. I am saying 50 Vijayakalam. Shape of the day: circle. A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corners or edges. Thank you.
Mathematician of the day from 4th Europe.
Good morning to all. My name is Kanushka Amy. I am studying in 4th standard Europe. Today, mathematician Bhaskara was the leading mathematician of the 12th century who wrote the first work with full and systematic use of the decimal number system. Thank you.
Tables in reverse order of the day from Dad Diamond.
Good morning to all. My name is Salo. I stay in the third diamond. For table in reverse order of the day. Fourth table: 4 tens are 40, 4 nines are 36, 4 eights are 32, 4 sevens are 28, 4 sixes are 24, 4 fives are 20, 4 fours are 16, 4 threes are 12, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4. Thank you.
Add numbers of the day from 2nd Jupiter.
Good morning to all. My name is Osika. I study second standard Jupiter. As numbers of the day: 22, 30, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. Thank you.
Even numbers of the day from 1st America.
Good morning to all. My name is Rafet. I am studying 1st standard America. Even numbers 21 to 30, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. Thank you.
Numbers in reverse order of the day from UKG Penguin.
Good morning to all. My name is Rudresh. I am studying UKG Penguin. Today, reverse number 30 to 21, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Thank you.
Numbers in words of the day from LKG Roses.
Good morning to all. My name is Suvache. I'm studying LKD Joseph. Yes, I yes, yes,
Reading from the Book of Proverbs, chapter 9.